In this video, I'm just gonna be showing you how I invest on Telegram stickers and make profit from it. So mind you, whatsoever I am gonna be showing you in this video is just for my educational purpose. Okay, it's just to show and explain to the community how some of the ways that I make money from cryptocurrency, DeFi, and NFTs and Telegram stickers. So what I'm going to be showing you here is the ways that I invest in it, and I'm going to be showing you all that I normally do to make profit from Telegram stickers. Okay, so also I want you to understand that this might be a long-term investment way on how to make money. Just like crypto, when you invest in crypto, you are not expected to receive money immediately. Okay, it can take up to, like, say 1 month, 2 months to 3 months to start making profit from it. So the same thing that applies to cryptocurrency also applies to Telegram stickers when you want to invest in it. All right, so that is what I'm going to be showing you in this video, and then in the next video, subsequent video, I'm going to be showing you how to sell off these NFTs as soon as the ones you've bought have generated revenues for you. The next video will be explaining how to sell it off, and who to sell it off, and the exchange or some of the integrated marketplaces that you can sell it. First of all, I want you to understand that these are the list of verified marketplaces that you can buy and trade your NFTs on. So we are going to be making use of just 2 alone, right? For the sake of this video not being too long enough, we are just going to be making use of just 2. Okay, so we are going to be making use of is just the market MRK and the It's Easy. All right, we are going to be making use of this, and we are going to be making use of this. All right, so if you are new in this channel, ensure that you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications so that whenever I am dropping subsequent videos that has to do with some of the ways that I invest in cryptocurrencies, NFTs, and stickers, and how I make money from them, you are going to be updated on time. So without further ado, let's get started. So now someone might ask, what is the main actual difference between Telegram stickers and Telegram NFTs? So these are what they are. Okay, now the Telegram stickers, some of the key differences is that the Telegram stickers is has ownership and tradability in it. All right, so the regular Telegram stickers are digital images for communications. Okay, while the Telegram NFTs are unique blockchain verified digital assets that you truly own and can trade for value. Okay, so those are some of the 2 key differences that I want you to understand. All right, I hope that is clear enough. Now we'll be dealing on Telegram stickers in this video. Okay, so first thing you have to do now is to go right at the video description, go and click that link at the video description, and it will take you to the actual Telegram bot that we are going to be using to perform all these transactions. All right, and then once you click on it, then you can start the process. Okay, so for the MRKT market store, I'll be dropping the link right at the video description. This is the current one, the one I'm talking about, the MRKT. Okay, just go to through the video description, you will see the link. Just click on open here. It's going to open up the bot. Okay, this is a verified and official Telegram bot. Okay, now it's going to load up this. Then ensure that while you're doing this, your network is very stable. Okay, now for you to start the buying process, here on this bot there are a whole lot of buying and selling here. You can buy gift card and a lot of that stickers and stars as well, but we are going to be concentrating mostly on these Telegram stickers. Okay, for you to start, you just click, you can decide to click on the stickers, or you can decide to click on this play hub where you see here, where you have this play hub. You click on that play hub, As soon as you click on that play hub, it's going to take you to this page. Okay, now you have to first of all ensure your account, your wallet is connected right here in this app. Okay, ensure your wallet is connected right there, right here on Telegram. Okay, so when you click on that connect, that's your profile. If you click on that your profile, it's going to take you right here, okay, where you can see your connect, because you are going to be making a whole lot of transactions here on this app. Since we are going to be buying directly from our Ton wallet or Ton Keeper, we have to first of all come here and connect our wallet. Okay, so when you click on connect your wallet right now, you can now, it will redirect you to where you can go ahead and click your connect. You can either decide to connect your normal Telegram wallet, or you can also decide to connect your Tonkeeper wallet. Okay, I prefer this Tonkeeper wallet, okay, because if you are connecting this one and whenever you lose your account, you are going to be losing every of your details. Okay, that's why I prefer Tonkeeper. Tonkeeper here, no matter what, you can see regain back your account by just using your seed phrase alone. All right, so whatever you are doing, ensure you are using the Tonkeeper. This is more preferable. Okay, so when you click on this Tonkeeper, it's going to redirect you to your Keeper wallet. Okay, if you tap on it, just give a little time to redirect you, and then as soon as it redirects you, you go ahead and click on connect wallet. Okay, you click on that connect wallet, then ensure your app, the app you are using, is updated, is an updated version. Okay, now you can see that it has been connected automatically. So now whatsoever purchase I'm making, I'm going to be making it directly from my Tonkeeper wallet. And also you have to ensure that if you are buying using this market store, this MRKT market store, you have to ensure that you have some funds. You have to ensure you have a lot of funds or some amount of ton inside your wallet. Okay, because without the ton you can't even buy any sticker from here. All right, so I'll click on this sticker like I said, and or I can also come to the Play Store, click on it again, then click on that lucky buy. This lucky buy is where we'll be clicking on, because most of the newly listed stickers are right here in the lucky buy section. Okay, so as soon as you click on that, just head over to where you have these stickers right here. You click on these stickers. As soon as you click on these stickers, it's going to take you down here. Okay, these are all the newly listed stickers. These are all the stickers that are currently tradable right here on this stickers shop. Okay, so how we are going to do is to search for the lowest sticker available and buy it. All right, now I can assure you that this sticker, this NGMI sticker that you see here, was a sticker that I bought at a rate of 1 ton. When I bought this sticker, I bought it at a rate of just 1 ton last 4 months ago. But currently, look at what this sticker is trading at. I sold this sticker at 11.12 ton. Okay, and I made some profit from it. All right, that's the beauty of buying low, because when you buy low, you sell it high at a higher price. Okay, that is one of the reasons why it's good to buy them low. So another sticker that we can buy is just this one. We can decide to buy this sticker that you see right here at $0.9, $0.9 worth of ton, and hold it. All right, and you can see another one is here, cyclist is here. We can also decide to buy this cyclist at $0.9 and save it, all right. So as soon as we click on this section, we buy it and save it, and then we pending when these stickers will rise, because these stickers, from my experience, these stickers normally take 2 to 3 months to rise to a very high amount. Then as soon as it rises, we can now sell it off. Okay, so that's how I make money from these stickers. So I buy them low, I hold them for 2 to 3 months, and then I sell them high. I've been able to make up up to not less than $1,000 by just buying and selling these stickers that you see right here. Okay, and I'm going to be showing you the proof, all my proof from some of the sales I've made from these stickers in the video that I'll be dropping next. All right, so I'm just trying to tell you that these are some of the ways you can make money. Now you can see that these ones here, not quite long that these stickers were listed, but if you can see what they are trading at. And now look at this one here. Now this Panama hat here, I remember this Panama hat here was trading at 0.5 ton just last month, but look at what it is currently trading at, 1.5. okay, and this one also was trading at 0.6 ton 4 months ago, but look at what it's currently trading at. Okay, now look at what this Midas penguin that was trading at this marketplace at 5 ton. Look at what it is currently trading at. You can either decide to buy them at this rate and hold, or you buy them low. But I always advise you buy them low. From my experience, those that bought low always ended up making money from it. All right, so that's how you invest from this sticker. So another sticker that I can even advise you to buy is you have to ensure that you search for the lowest one so far. Buy as much as possible and hold it. I can also go and buy this one. I'll click on it to buy it. Okay, if I click on it, I'll now have to go and deposit some amount of ton, because why it's showing insufficient fund is because I haven't deposited into this. So for me to deposit, I have to click on this deposit right here. I have to click on the deposit right there. Then as soon as you click on that deposit, since we have linked our wallet, the money is gonna be deposited. It's gonna be used to buy this ton. All right, because what we need to buy this sticker here is just 1.5. So as soon as I click on this deposit, it's gonna purchase this sticker for me, and then I'm gonna hold that sticker pending when it is going to rise. And now, how do you know? The question you might ask is, how do you know that it's going to rise? Good. How you know it's going to rise is always from this same market store where you have the listed. All right, so for you to be able to access your listed, you have to come to where you have the storage right here. You click on that storage. Any one that you buy, any sticker that you buy is going to be reflecting right here. Okay, this is where all your stickers are going to be reflecting, this interface where you have this listed here. So far as it has been listed in this market store, and if you buy it, you can always see the price right here increasing. So whenever you see the price right here, you can always buy it or sell automatically. Okay, so these are where all your listed stickers are currently going to be accumulating for you. Okay, so when you click on this sticker pack right here, you can also see this performs the same functions. You can create or transfer your stickers to other marketplaces directly from here. Okay, so that is how you invest in these stickers. All right, this is all you need to know about the MRKT stickers. And so Easy Market is another market store for NFTs and stickers that I want you to know about. So I'll be dropping the link still right at the video description. Go ahead and tap it and open it in from your Telegram and access the app. Okay, now to access this bot, you first of all have to link your wallet. Okay, so as soon as you click on your profile, it's going to take you to this section. Go ahead and click on this connect wallet, and you can now connect your wallet to give it access. All right, so go ahead and select this Tonekeeper as usual, like I said, to also connect your Tonekeeper. All right, because you are going to be working more with our Tonekeeper because it's more secure than the normal Telegram wallet. So go ahead and click on connect now. Click on connect, And as soon as you click on connect, it's going to be connected automatically. Now you can see that it is connected automatically. We are now good to go. We are now going to be starting our buying and selling. Here you can see the available whatsoever amount that you have in your wallet is going to be reflecting right here. Okay, it's going to be reflecting right there. Okay, now for you to buy and buy any form of NFT, you have to click on this market. And then as soon as you click on this market, you can now toggle this on to from the left right to the right. Okay, you click on toggle it on to the right, and then it's going to bring out all the NFTs that have been listed. These are the current NFTs that are currently being listed. Our job now is to look for the lowest possible one and buy them. So I'm going to buy this one. This one is just 2 tons, so I'm going to stack it up. I'll click on buy and buy it, and then I'll go down and look for the one that is cheaper. Click on this and I'll buy it. So if you tap on that buy, it's going to take you to the next section where you buy them. All right, where you click and then a ton will be debited from your wallet, and then you can now buy this sticker. So I'm still going to go down and select. As are these flags, this flag sticker that I see right here, 3 months ago this flag sticker was just trading at 30 ton, but currently this month, while I'm making this video, is currently trading as 200 ton. Okay, so you can see the word. That's one of the beauty of buying these stickers. All right, so therefore we can still go ahead, we can just go ahead and look for the cheapest one. Our duty is to buy them cheap. All right, so here, cheaper one, I can buy this, and then I can also buy this and stack it up. Okay, and then if you want to see the ones that you bought, you can click on this history. As soon as you click on this history, it's going to take you to the next step where you can see all the ones you bought. Okay, you can now click on this my bought. As soon as you click on this my bought, you can see all the ones you bought from there. And then if you want to transfer to another marketplace and sell to another marketplace, you can click on this my transfer and transfer them to a different marketplace entirely. Okay, now if this market if easy market is like some of the prices that you are seeing in this easy market is higher, you can always transfer your stickers to a different market entirely and sell right there. Okay, that's one of the beauties of these stickers. You can transfer from one marketplace to another marketplace if the marketplace that you have your sticker, the prices there are way too lower, or you cannot as well always transfer them to a different marketplace and sell them. So what you have to do is always to click on transfer and transfer them out. Okay, so here in still this section, you can always see your my sold, all the stickers that you've sold right here in this section. All right, so this is what you need to know about these easy steps, the easy market. So if you click on this sell, in case you want to sell any sticker that you bought in the past, if you click on this sell, the sticker will be right here waiting for you. What you have to do is to just click on it, approve the transaction, and that sticker is going to be converted to ton immediately. So any sticker that you want to sell, you can still convert them immediately to ton, even without transferring, or let's say you don't want to transfer to anybody, but you still want to get back your money directly from the blockchain, you can still swap the sticker back to ton. Okay, that's one of the things that you should know, and one of the beauties you should know about buying stickers directly from your Telegram. Okay, now if this video was very helpful, kindly do your best to hit that subscribe button, share and like the video, and if you have any question, drop them at the comment section, and see you in the next video.